You know, a little filthy. Burning around, getting pushing 70,000. Did some performance upgrades. Modern muscle, lower intake, upper intake, a hemi throttle body. So we got 80 millimeter hemi throttle body with a riser or spacer because it's going to be sideways. At some point, the dealership did replace my oil cooler and filter housing. Same piece of crap plastic that they replaced it with. I don't see that they did a great job cleaning it up. Plus, half the things on the way down are loose. It's just garbage at the dealership, man. It's garbage. So I got a new Dorman all aluminum going in. There's also a crossover housing in here for your coolant. Plastic, that's aluminum that I'm going to replace that with as well. The thermostat housing, it's still plastic, the replacement, but it's all beefed up in here. So it's an improvement. Wish they had an aluminum one. I think they do make it for one of the vehicles. So I already did install the RIP coils along with the Bosch double radium plugs, and clean this up good. I just took some quick alcohol and gave it a quick rub down. And they recommended the oil pressure sensor. Just replace that if you're down here. So I already bought a new one of those, and whatever the other sensor is, I can't remember. Won't be the positioning. We'll figure it out. But yeah, so we got our tour out. I'm at the K&N, going to the Torque 2, RPM Motorsports, going to the Hemi, into the modern muscle upper intake that's bored, lower intake that's bored. Like I said, I have a new oil cooler in there. And I think we'll be ripping pretty good, man. From unorthodox racing too. Got a lightweight crankshaft pulley coming, and also alternator pulley. It's on back order, so I'm just waiting in limbo. So next I'm gonna, I'll grab the OEM parts, stock parts, and I'll grab the new parts. And bust out my caliper, and we'll take a look and just see how much bigger they are, and if we can get excited about what we can expect. So there weren't any specs. Obviously the throttle body 80 millimeter. I think the Jeep comes with a 74 millimeter, I believe. So it's like a 6 millimeter increase. Pretty substantial. But we'll go over that when we compare the stock versus performance. It's just still working on the sound system. We get a couple of horns in there. I have another set there, and the other one's not in. It's a lot going on, man. Other things have been taking my priorities lately, so I've been a little light on the posting for sure. Can't believe it's already been roughly a month. So we'll get some things going here, get some updates, and I look forward to putting this together, just seeing the difference. So that'll be up in the next post, and it's a short one. Appreciate you checking it out. Thanks.